Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On this video, I'll be explaining about the critical path method in project management. By the end of video, you will understand what is it, why it matters, how we transfer project success. Let's understand about the critical path method. First, it was developed in 1950. After onwards, it became one of the revolutions in the project management field. CPM is the long sequence of dependent tasks that determine the project minimum completion time. It is also a project backward because any delay on any activities that is on critical path will impact the overall completion of the project timeline. Why do we use CPM? So it's the backbone of the project. As you know that any delay on these activities will impact your completion date. It provides a clear visualization of project timeline, task dependency, which activities is depend on it. Next one is smart prioritization. We need to focus on the activities that directly impact in the project duration. And next one is the proactive risk management. Any delay on the critical activities need to be escalated early, otherwise it will impact your programs and also the completion date. Better collaboration. It helps in the resource allocation. We need to focus more on the critical path than the non-critical activities because non-critical activities has the flexibility, and we use the critical path activities for the team communication and also for the project manager to understand what is the activities coming in the next month. We need to visualize the critical path. In the P6, it is shown by the red line, and we cannot push the critical activities, otherwise the project deadline will move. In the non-critical activities, which is in the blue color also here, has flexibility or they can be shifted without impacting the final delivery date. Benefit of CPM in act. First thing is it helps in the accurate scheduling. It estimates the project duration and create the realistic timeline for the project with confidence for the stakeholder. It helps to monitor the tasks, identify which tasks require the more attention and oversight. Another is strategic flexibility. We can delay the activities which are non-critical, and we can delay the activities which are non-critical when needed without impacting the deadline. Another is the data-driven planning. It provides the information about continuity and also improve the project execution plan in the future and provide the information what we need to focus on the future activities. Let's take an example of construction of World Trade Center. In 1966, the CPM concept was used on it. It was coordinated with thousands of interdependent tasks across multiple contractors, which helps to prevent the cost delay, resource complete on the massive scale, and it sets a new standard for managing the complex construction project. Let's take a real-time example of product launch. When we launch a product, we first design it, we develop the prototype on it, and we test it, and finally we launch it. These are sequential activities that need to be complete for the product launch. If there is any delay on the proactive build, then the testing cannot be done, and also the product launch cannot be done. So it will move to the right hand side. So we need to focus on the activities which are in critical path so that we can complete it on time. To provide the teams to run the marketing materials and document work in parallel without delaying the launch time, optimizing the resource and use and escalating time to market. Let's talk about CPM today. CPM is calculated by different software like WRIG, ASNA, Project Manager Estimate, Manual CPM calculation. Dynamic visualization chart can be the Gantt chart, highlight the critical path automatically. P6, MS Project are used for the critical path calculation. And it also provides the real-time update, which helps to track the progress of the project and schedule adjustment when change occur. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful or you enjoy watching this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for today. Have a good day. Bye.